like tabletop role-playing games are great because they allow us to tell stories, but because, like we were talking about before with the humanities thing, they allow us to exercise our empathy and like emotional communication muscles, right? Like you get to step into being somebody else and explore how that person might respond to situations instead of how you would respond to them, or how that person might respond to situations. So I don't know, I know lots of it practice social interactions without
Yeah.
consequences in the same way, which is like really cool. And yeah, I don't know. I mean, my favorite D&D book is the Monster Manual because like it's got ties to ecology, right? All of these monsters
Yeah.
have a biology and an environment where they live. And like whoever designed a lot of these monsters in a lot of these games knew at least something about ecology because I've seen examples of aposematism and multiple life state or like multiple different physical stages in a life cycle and animals that make sense in the environment that it says they live in. And so, yeah, I don't know. I think these stories are great because you can build a world, you can explore a world, and you can build and explore people too.